Meaning of geyser.
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 Geyser. A geyser is a natural hot spring that periodically erupts with water and steam. The name geyser comes from the Icelandic word geysa, which means to gush. Geysers are typically found in areas of volcanic activity where magma heats underground water to boiling point. Pressure builds up until the water and steam explode out of the ground, shooting upwards in a spectacular display. Some geysers are quite regular, while others are irregular and unpredictable. Visitors to geyser sites often marvel at the beauty and power of these natural phenomena.